2008 Honda Civic with a, what size is that? 1.8. Gonna do the AC condenser. Evacuate your system, discharge it, whatever you do it. Remove a clip here, clip there, clip there, clip there. Pull the whole thing, this panel forward, get it out from underneath the grill. Once you get it out from underneath the grill, you can flip it up and slide it back past the little lever. Okay, because the lever goes over it. Okay, for the release, hood release. Get this up out of the way. And you got a screw here, a bolt here, a bolt there, an Allen bolt here, a bolt there, a bracket for your radiator, bolt there, bracket for your radiator, bolt there, two bolts here, bolt there, a bolt there, and a bolt here, Allen bolt. The other ones are 10s, and a bolt there. So now you got that done. And you can pick this up. As you pick this up, there's a wire harness underneath. It clips to the support here and there. One there and one there. They're gonna break because it's old, so just break them. Get it out of the way. Unplug the sensor for that radiator. Fan on that side. Place it up down below. Put some towel underneath it so it doesn't scratch your fender or your bumper. Then we're gonna put a bungee cord. Put a bungee cord on these to hold them back. Okay. Put one on each side, go down around the bottom of the bumper so you can pull that condenser out. Okay? And my bungee cord ain't working too good, so I didn't use it. So, these bolt up to the condenser, these brackets, 110mm bolt. Holds this bracket right here, and right there. Take them off, and then you got your upper hose that's got a 10 on it, and then it's got a bracket for that hose right below it. See the metal bracket coming off? So there's two bolts on that one, and then on the bottom hose there's another 10mm bolt. So get them out, pull, kind of wiggle them around, pull them out, and see what's going on over here. There's a sensor over on this side. Gonna have to unbolt that on that side. Unbolt that, and then hopefully the condenser will come out. Okay. I unplug the temp sensor, push the little tab in, and then you pull it out. And this stupid retainer breaks. What I'll do is I'll get a zip tie in there when I go back. Okay, you have to push the radiator towards the engine so you can pull this side of the condenser up, get it past the headlight. There's a little piece in the headlight that this gets stuck on. You pull that up, and come over here and pull this side up. Just keep pulling it back up equally while you're holding back the front grill area. And then you get it up and you got it. Okay? Alright. And make sure you don't lose your little rubbers on the bottom. And make sure you put them on the new ones, on the new condenser. Okay. For the sensor, for the temp sensor, remove the 10mm bolt, goes in underneath here. This is where the retainer was for the harness. Get that out of there and get access to the bolt. take the bolt out, and you can slide it up off the dryer. Make sure you put this on the new one. Okay. Okay, I got the condenser in there. It came with the new bracket for the sensor. Then I had to swap the bracket. But my sensor connector broke for it, so I had to zip tie the sensor to the bracket. Now I got it in there. I started my condenser brackets. Got them started. These things. Right here, I got them started. Get them up out of the way. Okay, now I'll put my upper core support in. Okay, I got my upper core support in. Got a bolt behind here, bolt there, bolt down there. These two for the radiator cap, and bolt here, bolt there, and one there. And your two brackets for your condenser. One bolt right there. Another bolt in there. Tighten your bracket bolts up on the condenser. Make sure your lines are on. Put some oil on your O-rings, push them in there. Get your lines started by finger. Push the lines into the condenser. Tighten your bolts. And then, you know, snug them up and then go in there and give you a little bit of torque on it. Okay, I got that done and that done. Now, I put my Allen bolts in there. And I gotta put my radiator supports in there. Okay, core support on. Everything's tight. All my bolts. My grill bolts. Go in there. Don't forget your fan connector. Okay? Plug that in. Now you can put your cover on. And then you can evacuate it, put a vacuum on it, and then charge it. And there should be a tag on it somewhere to tell you how much Freon it takes. Let's see, if I get on my knees. Yeah. Let's see. There you go, light. Up underneath the hood. 15.9 ounces of Freon. 134. Okay. So, a can and a half. Okay. Well, that will be it.